Good morning, everyone. A comparison of the clinical outcomes between image-guided system versus the smartphone digital reference marker app for toric intraocular lens implantation in cataract surgery. No financial interest. The accuracy of the toric IOLs depends on the following factors like appropriate patient selection, accuracy of the biometry and keratometry, the calculator being used, accuracy of the preoperative reference markings, that the IOL placement in the capsular bag, the rotational stability of the IOL. Now, smartphone toric apps like the iToric or the ToricCam are available online, and the Varian guidance delivers better outcomes than the slit lamp assisted and the conventional manual ink marking techniques in terms of induced astigmatism. This has been proved in many studies earlier. So in this study, we aim to compare between the Varian image-guided system and the iToric smartphone digital marker reference app the clinical outcomes with respect to uncorrected distance visual acuity, residual astigmatism, and the deviation from the target residual astigmatism. To our knowledge, there has been no previous published studies or reports of this. So this was a prospective randomized clinical study conducted at the Tertiary Eye Care Center. The sample size for the smartphone group was 10 and for the Varian group was 13. To reduce the confounding factor variables, detailed slit lamp evaluation, topography, and OCT was done for every patient. Patients with any kind of ocular surface disorders or corneal retinal pathologies, irregular astigmatism, or any other kind of eye problems were not included in the study. Keratometry was performed on multiple devices. Integrated K reading was taken into calculation wherever there was a discrepancy in K readings between the devices. And biometry was performed by immersion method, and Barrett's online direct calculator was used. So to reduce any IOL-related confounding factors like rotational stability, Acrysof IQ toric platform T3 to T9 was used in all the cases. No rotation was encountered in our study. The surgeries were performed by a single surgeon and no intraoperative complication was encountered. So this is how we've done the smartphone axis marking. So by taking into account the gyroscopic assisted camera rotation, we get the effective mark rotation from the 0 to 180 degrees, and thereafter the Mendes ring can be accordingly aligned. For the Varian image guided group, this automatically corrects for the cyclotorsion by recognizing the scleral vessels and the iris and limbal landmarks as shown in the pictures. So in this study, we've used the uncorrected distance visual acuity, best corrected distance visual acuity, residual astigmatism, and deviation from the target residual astigmatism as a measure of the clinical outcome of toric IOL surgery. The data of these were entered in the Microsoft Excel, and using the software, mean and standard deviation was calculated for the different samples, and unequal variance or independent unpaired t-test was done to analyze for any significant difference between the two groups. So these were the Excel sheets, and post-operative uncorrected distance visual acuity in both the groups were 6/9 or logMAR 0.18 and better. So this was how this shows the data being tabulated for both the groups, and the t-values were calculated. Of special mention here is that the mean of the deviation of the residual astigmatism from the target anticipated astigmatism is the best evaluation for the post-operative outcome. So now these t-values were put to the t-test and it was found to be not significant. So our results demonstrated that there is no significant difference between the uncorrected visual acuity, best corrected visual acuity, and the deviation from the anticipated residual astigmatism in both the groups, and that using Varian over smartphone app did not lead to any significant improvement with respect to clinical outcomes. So the earlier studies demonstrated a strong agreement between the Varian and the smartphone axis marking, but assumed the Varian image guided system as the gold standard for accurate alignment of the toric IOLs. But a considerable advantage in the design of the current study is the ability to independently evaluate and compare the clinical outcomes of the two marking systems. So the limitation of the study is that it provides results obtained by a single surgeon, though this helps eliminate surgeon variables like surgically induced astigmatism, effective lens position, surgeon-related alignment accuracy, but a multivariate evaluation should be performed in the future. So to conclude, smartphone digital reference marker apps are a cheap, consistent, easily available, reproducible way of enhancing outcomes of toric IOLs but needs a lot of care, precision, and is prone to transcription errors. The Varian image guided system aims to make the process of toric ILs more accurate. It enhances the surgical flow, especially in high volume centers, but due to its high cost, it may not be an economically viable option for the majority of ophthalmologists, and that there was no significant difference between the uncorrected distance visual residual astigmatism and deviation for target residual astigmatism between the two groups. These are the acknowledgements and these are the references. Thank you.
A very
Excellent
thought-provoking
presentation.
presentation, sir. Over to the
Thank you, sir.
judges.
Very nice. But is this the app that is designed by your team?
No,
Your
sir.
part of-
So in the acknowledgements, I've shown that it is by this Dr. Saurabh Patwardhan iToric app.
Yeah. So did you compare it with the manual marking? That you didn't do it in the study.
So the manual marking has already been done, and the various reports have been published in JCRS earlier and many other index journals by El Hoffy et al., Weber's, Mayer et al., and many other surgeons and institutes. And they've always shown that the Varian or the digital marking system is better.
That is good. That we all know. Variant that we all know.
But
But
they've
when I
always-
look at this digital marker, the photograph which you show, there were two blue marks on the conjunctiva in one of the photos which you showed us. So I didn't know whether it was a slit lamp marking or it was done on the table.
So the digital marking was done on the digitally. So the blue
Okay.
marks, maybe because of the blue, the Trifon blue used during the capsule staining, sir.
No, there were dots.
So I'll just go back.
Can you just put it here?
Yeah,
Just
just
show
show
that.
us.
Mhm.
In the meantime, other judges, they have any question, they can ask.
So here,
Yes, yes. You show the picture.
yes, sir, the picture is visible.
Not this one.
No, 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 that-
Before one, before.
that-
The one before.
Oh, sir, this is the smartphone app. So we do it with the blue mark in this. So this is the technique itself needs a freehand marking done, and then we take a snap from the smartphone app, which is easily available. It has also been designed on the iPhone. We have by the Dr. Barrett, we have it there.
No. 1 second. This marking is done freehand means this is under slit lamp or just patient sitting and you show a torchlight on
Sir,
the
on
patient.
the
Like
OT table, on the OT table.
patient sitting.
Torchlight. Yes, sir. It's a freehand mark.
Okay.
But then the deviation is calculated by the smartphone. And the aim of this study is to compare the outcomes, because earlier they've always compared the manual markings, the conventional manual markings
understand.
with the Varian. But this study is showing that.
Yeah. Okay.
that
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.